Hello everyone. It is my great pleasure, privilege and honor to be with all of you. I am Rupesh Sir from Kaushal Odisha e-learning. I welcome you everybody on behalf of International Yoga Day. Every year International Yoga Day is celebrated on June 21 all around the world from 2014. Due to ongoing coronavirus pandemic, the last year theme was Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family, and this year 2021 theme is Yoga for Well-being. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of yoga and its effects upon human health. Today, we are seeing that 1 in every 5 human beings suffers from some disease. Today, we have made our lifestyle such that we don't have time to keep ourselves healthy. So in such circumstances, only yoga can keep us away from diseases. It has been seen many times that diseases which are not cured by taking medicines are cured easily by doing continuous yoga. Yoga is an invaluable gift of ancient Indian tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, and a holistic approach to health and well-being. Yoga is not about exercise, but to discover the sense of oneness with ourselves, the world and nature. Yoga also brings harmony between mind and body in all walks of life. Yoga is essentially a path to liberation from all bondage. Yoga is beneficial for physical fitness, musculoskeletal functioning, and cardiovascular health. It is beneficial in the management of diabetes, respiratory disorders, hypertension, hypotension, and many lifestyle-related disorders. Yoga helps to reduce depression, fatigue, anxiety disorders, and stress. In essence, yoga is a process of creating a body and mind that we are stepping stones, not hurdles, to an exuberant and fulfilling life. So, from today onwards, we promise ourselves that I commit to make myself into a healthy, peaceful, joyful, and loving human being. Through every action of mine, I will strive to create a peaceful and loving atmosphere around me. I strive to break the limitations of who I am right now and include the entire world as my own. I recognize the kinship of my own life with every other life. I recognize the unity of all there is. May all become happy. May all become free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Thank you.